everybody? I'm Mike Kyle, CEO and founder of Popcorn Entertainment Network, and welcome to my staff profile video. Aye! First things first, I'm a sneakerhead. I have about 30 pairs. My favorite Jordan is the Jordan 11. However, my favorite shoe is the LeBron Soldier 6. I'm 20 years old. I go to the University of Akron, and I'm studying to do, well, this. I'm also a certified Pokemon Master, and my favorite Pokemon of all time is Eevee. My favorite artist is Big Sean, but with that said, I usually tell my friends that I have the worst taste in music. My Chipotle order is pretty simple: white rice, chicken, and cheese. That's it. If you couldn't tell, I kinda like to talk with my hands. Sorry, I'm Italian. My top 3 favorite superheroes are number 3, The Flash, number 2, The Green Arrow, and number 1, Batman. Yes, I'm a DC stan. I'll be posting across all of our branches, but you can mainly find me in sports and video games with a specialty in basketball and Nintendo. I have 2 sports teams who I'll ride or die for. The first team is the North Carolina Tar Heels, and the second team is the Jacksonville Jaguars, who I've each been a fan of since 3rd grade. Now, I know I said I love basketball, but I actually don't have a favorite NBA team. In fact, I have gear from nearly half the league's franchises. Speaking of basketball, a fun fact about me and my family is that 19 of us played competitive basketball at one point or another. My uncle actually got drafted by the Boston Celtics. I've been working with video since about 7th grade, and it's something I've always kind of had a knack for, and my very first YouTube channel came in 7th grade when I did Pokemon videos. Well, there you have it. Now you guys have gotten the chance to kind of get to know me on a little bit of a personal level. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and remember to subscribe down below. Thank you. I'm Mike Kyle. I'm out. Peace.